Okay, so sharing your tips on how to prepare for the LECPA, okay, licensure examination for CPA, you know, o kaya Certified Public Accountant licensure examination. Okay, so bali apat lang na tips ang ibibigay ko sa inyo. So tip number one, let's go to tip number one. So, okay, master the basic concepts. Okay, so anong gagawin natin? Ano? So kung nasa undergrad pa tayo, kung nasa undergrad tayo, mag-aral na tayo ng gusto. You have to read your books, okay, your reviewers and other handouts. Ano? Okay, so mali yung attitude na aaralin ko na lang to kapag nasa okay, review na ako. Kaya nga review yan eh, di ba? Review. Okay? Napag-aralan mo na noong undergrad ka, napasa mo na. Okay? Then, ang gagawin mo na lang pag nasa actual review ka, i-review mo na talaga. So, you have to master the basic concepts. Ano? So, yan yung ating number one. Okay? So, sabi niya, may quote tayo dito. Think of success as a game of chance in which you have control over the odds. As you begin to master concepts, you are increasing your odds of achieving success. Ano? So, ang labanan kasi sa CPA board exam is, okay, paramihan ng, one, napasa, okay, number two, paramihan ng, okay, kapag naintindihan, number three, okay, paramihan ng na-retain. So, habang nasa undergrad ka pa, mag-prepare ka na. So, pag-aralan mo na ng gusto. Okay? So, pag nasa review ka naman at pag-aralan mo na lang yun, ulit-ulitin mo na lang. I-refresh mo na lang yung sarili mo. Okay, doon sa mga concept na. Okay, so that's the tip number one. So, you have to master the basic, okay, concept. Next, always find time to, okay, review. Okay, so ulit-ulitin na, mag-review tayo. Okay, so pag nag-aaral mo na, napag-aralan mo, i-review mo ulit. So do it again, play it again, sing it again, read it again, write it again, sketch it again, rehearse it again, run it again, try it again. Because again, it's a practice, and practice is improvement, and improvement only leads to perfection. Okay, so yun yung okay, pangalawa dyan. So always find time to ulit-ulitin mo lahat ng bagay na papag-aralan. Okay, so lahat ng bagay na papag-aralan. So sabi pa ni Brian Tracy, everything is hard before it is easy. Okay, so kaya mag-ian ka lang ng oras mo para pag-aralan mo yan. Okay, reviewin mo. Okay, so pag nag-allocate tayo na, okay, may nabasa ko, ito na nasi-share ko sa mga estudyante ko rin dati ito. Okay, so mayroong 5 review daw na dapat mong gawin. Kapag pag-aralan mo halimbawa yung isang topic, say for example, audit of cash, okay, so inaral mo siya ngayon, mamayang gabi na dapat i-review mo siya. Ano ba yung concept na napag-aralan ko sa class na yun? Ano yung mga dapat kong tatandaan dyan? Okay? That's the first review. The second review is one day after na inaral mo. Okay? Kinabukasan. Okay? So, kinabukasan, dapat aralin mo, reviewin mo. Ano yung mga concept ng class na dapat kong tandaan? So, it may only take you 15 to 30 minutes depending on the length of the topic. So, ano yung mga concept na dapat mong tandaan dito sa okay, sa class na ito? So, yun yung second review mo. One day after na inaral. Then, the third review will be, okay, 1 week after na inaral mo. Third review yan. Okay, then fourth review will be, okay, so 1 month after na inaral mo yung topic na yun. Okay, and yung fifth review mo daw is 3 to 6 months after na inaral mo yung isang topic. So, pag ginawa mo daw yon, okay, so yung information na yon will be, okay, permanently embedded, okay, doon sa ating utak, nasa long-term memory na natin. Hindi mo na siya makakalimutan. Okay, so yun daw yung ating gagawin. So, kaya always find time to review. Na, again, 5 review ang kailangan mo. Okay, para mapag-aralan mo, ma-master mo, mapunta sa long-term memory mo. Okay, yung isang bagay, isang topic. Okay, that's tip number 2. Let's go to tip number 3. So, teach yourself. Ano? So, teach yourself sa number 3. So, pag pinag-aralan mo yung isang bagay, audit of class, i-apply mo. Ano? Okay, mag-solve ka ng problem. So, na, kumuha ka ng reviewer po, kumuha ka ng handouts mo. Okay, i-apply mo yung mga concept na napag-aralan mo. Kasi kung hindi mo gagawin mo yan, ano sabi niya dyan sa atin, okay, you will lose it. You have to use it before you lose it. Kailangan mong gamitin para, okay, sabi nga natin, mailagay natin sa utak natin yan, okay, bago mawala. Kasi kung hindi mo ginagamit yan, baka hindi mo na alam yung application. Okay, so you have to quiz yourself then. That's tip number 3. So, pag inaral mo, di ba? At the same time, i-quiz mo yung sarili mo. Okay, apply mo yung mga napag. Okay, that's tip number 3. Okay, then, okay, number 4, para mangyari ito, you have to cultivate self-discipline. If you allocated time, nag-schedule tayo ng time, na mag-aral, ito time na ito, halimbawa, ang time na yon ay, example lang, 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. Ito, dapat mag-aaral ako dito. Okay, kapag blinak mo yung time na yon, wala na dapat makaka-istorbo sa ito. Okay? And, okay, you have to cultivate self-discipline para gawin mo yan. Every day, ginagawa mo yan, nag-aaral ka 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. Halimbawa, yun yung sinagawa. Okay? At kapag nag-aaral daw tayo, sabi ng mga how to study books na nabasa ko, okay, hanap daw tayo ng time, ng tinatawag natin na yung peak time. Yan yung time daw na pag nag-aral tayo, absorb natin yung inaral natin. Okay? So, hanapin mo yung peak time na yan para doon ka mag-aral. At consistently dapat, okay, aralin mo, mag-aral ka doon sa time na. So, depende kung gaano karami yung oras na pag-aaral. Okay? So, kailangan ng self-discipline para magawa mo yung mga na-set mo na mga schedules. Okay? So, mag-review na tayo habang maaga pa yung mga uh, sa undergrad kailangan mo na. Okay? Always keep eye on the long term na mga bakbakan. Hindi lang yung kailangan pa lang ipasa itong subject ko na to. Okay? Tapos after how many months, after na tapos mo, halimbawa yung financial accounting mo, nakalimutan mo. Hindi, dapat balik-balikan mo pa rin. Ulit-ulitin mo pa rin pag-aralan yung mga concept na yan. Yung mga napag-aralan mong concept na yan. Mag-schedule ka ng oras, okay, para mabalikan mo yung okay, so cultivate self-discipline and learn from the story of Reynolds III. Okay, so during the 14th century in what's now Belgium, there lived a man named Reynolds III. Reynolds was a nobleman, the rightful duke over his ancestral lands. But his younger brother revolted against him and served him. Reynolds' brother needed the duke out of the way, but he didn't want to kill him. So he came up with an ingenious plan. Because Reynolds was very large man, okay, Reynolds would simply lose weight. If Reynolds would simply lose weight, he would be allowed to live. In fact, the usurping brother promised that if Reynolds left the room, his freedom and his title would be restored. But Reynolds was not a man of discipline. His brother knew that. And every day, the brother had trays of delicious foods delivered to his older brother's room. Sige, sabi niya, pag pumayat ka lang, lalabas ka dito, ikaw ang magiging okay, king. So, pero ang diskarte ng kapatid niya, yung ginawa, deliver ng pagkain. Okay, masasarap na pagkain. So, instead of growing, okay, thinner, he grew fatter and fatter. Okay? So, kasi walang self-discipline. Kaya dyan, a person lacking of discipline is in a prison without bars. Are your habits making a prisoner of you? Okay? So, mas masarap mag-Facebook maghapon, di ba? Kayang-kaya natin 12 hours mag-Facebook or mag-Instagram maghapon. 12 hours or more than 12 hours, kayang-kaya natin nun. Kaya natin mag-ML, mag-Mobile Legends kahit 16 hours. Okay? So, pero yung pag-aaral, 'pag nag-aaral ka na parang antok na antok ka na, 'no? 'Pag nagbasa ka parang antok na antok ka na. So, kailangan ng disiplina diyan, kaya always cultivate self-discipline. Once nag-set tayo ng isang oras, ng anong oras ng pag-aaral natin, okey, ng pagre-review natin, kailangan mong sundin 'yon. So, gano'n po, 4 na tips lang 'yan, sample lang ng mga tips 'yan, okay, on how to, pass, how to prepare for the licensure examination or the, for CPA, yung LECPA. Okay, have a good day. Bye na. Okay, bye.